person on a sinking ship tells you you're being rescued,
We're getting rescued!
Mr. Nelson,
you probably aren't.
are you there?
None of us are.
I got a friend of mine who's given me an opportunity to fix all this.
Helicopter! Private jet!
It doesn't make sense. It makes money. Forget about sense.
All of the money we had, it's gone.
Everybody wants to get rich quick.
Sweetheart,
What did you do?
I am fixing it. I am saving us.
God.
Viola.
$80. So what's it gonna be, kid?
Maybe you should mind your own fucking business.
Time's running out. Pay your debt. And we either make a fortune or lose it all.
Lose it all.